So a long tail lead is like something that you don't necessarily get straight away. Very rare that you will be able to get a lead when they look at your content straight away, because they've just discovered you, or they either seen you through friend for friend. A long tail lead is someone that you're engaging, or they've engaged with your content piece over a given period of time, or they've started to know about you and your profile over a given period of time, slightly longer period of time. The next kind of subset question around that is like, well, how long is a long tail lead? The answer is it really depends on your type of audience, your type of target. For people like you and I, Bob, where it's like C-suites, for instance, Fortune 500 companies or bigger, it might take longer because they don't know who you are. So it will take longer because they need to be comfortable with your content. They need to agree with the type of content. They want to be able to hopefully engage with some of your content pieces, not just likes, but also commenting. But they also want to see you as an expert comment on what they're doing as well, so they feel like they've been involved. And that's community building 101.